Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to heal in Hytale, and let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to find out how to heal, make sure you guys watch the video up until the end. But anyways, there are three main ways of healing in Hytale, and the first way is simply going to be by eating. If you eat, I will regain a little bit of health. As you can see, if I eat the wild berries in the bottom left, the health bar does go up, and obviously other foods give more healing than others. But anyways, the second way is going to be by creating health potions, which you guys can do as well. I don't know the exact ingredients for the health potions, but it should be some sort of berries. I think wild berries was one of them. But anyways, yeah, that is the second way. And then the third way is by something called a healing totem. And healing totems are basically like throwable items that create a zone of slow but constant healing. And it will heal everything inside the zone for about 38 health. However, the healing totems are reusable, so that's a good part. But other than that, yeah, these are the three main ways of healing. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.